Yo, what's up everyone? It's Your Name with Howmake and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of drones because let's be real, they're everywhere these days. Whether you're seeing epic landscapes from a bird's eye view or getting that perfect Instagram shot, drones have opened up a whole new realm of possibilities. But with so many options out there, finding the right one can feel like navigating a minefield. That's why we're here to break it all down for you. We're talking different types of drones, the key features to look out for, and some tips to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Think of this as your one-stop shop to becoming a drone expert. We're going deep on everything from the tech specs to the real-world use cases. So buckle up and let's get this drone party started. First up, we're talking about drones that are literally changing the game for farmers everywhere. Agricultural drones. These aren't your average flying cameras. These bad boys are built for heavy-duty work in the field. We're talking about drones equipped with high-tech sensors and imaging systems that can monitor crops like never before. They can tell farmers exactly where their crops need attention, whether it's a lack of water, a potential disease outbreak, or even just areas that need a little extra love. But it doesn't stop there. Agricultural drones can also take on tasks like spraying pesticides and herbicides with incredible precision, minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact. And get this, some agricultural drones are even being used to plant seeds. They can fly over a field and precisely drop seeds into the ground, making the planting process faster, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. So if you're thinking about getting into the world of precision agriculture, an agricultural drone might be your new best friend. They're not just a cool gadget, they're revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Now, let's switch gears to something a little more, shall we say, approachable mini drones. These pocket-sized powerhouses are perfect for anyone just starting out in the drone world. What's great about mini drones is that they're super affordable and, let's be real, pretty darn cute. But don't let their size fool you. These little guys pack a punch when it comes to features. Most mini drones come with built-in cameras, so you can start capturing aerial shots right out of the box. And because they're so lightweight and maneuverable, they're super fun to fly indoors and out. Think of mini drones as your training wheels for the drone world. They let you get comfortable with the basic controls without having to worry about crashing a $1,000 drone into a tree. Plus, they're just plain fun to fly around the house or the park. So if you're looking for a low-stakes way to dip your toes into the drone pool, a mini drone is the way to go. Okay, time to get serious for a minute because we're talking about drones that are literally saving lives. Search and rescue drones. These are the real heroes of the drone world. And they're changing the game when it comes to finding lost individuals and responding to emergencies. Imagine this, a hiker goes missing in a remote area. With limited visibility and difficult terrain, finding them quickly is crucial. That's where search and rescue drones come in. Equipped with high-powered cameras, often with thermal imaging capabilities, these drones can cover vast areas quickly and efficiently, providing real-time data to rescue teams on the ground. They can spot a person from hundreds of feet in the air, even in dense foliage or challenging weather conditions. But it's not just about finding people. Search and rescue drones can also be used to assess disaster areas like wildfires or earthquakes, providing crucial information to emergency responders so they can make informed decisions and prioritize their efforts. So while we hope you never need the services of a search and rescue drone, it's reassuring to know that these technological marvels are out there, ready to lend a helping wing when it matters most. Alright, let's shift gears to something a little more, shall we say, glamorous filming drones. These are the drones you see capturing those jaw-dropping shots in movies, TV shows, and of course, countless YouTube videos. If you're serious about taking your photography and videography to new heights, a filming drone is the way to go. These drones are equipped with high-quality cameras, often capable of shooting 4K or even higher resolution video, with features like image stabilization and advanced flight modes to help you get those buttery smooth shots. But it's not just about the camera. Filming drones are also designed for stability and control, so you can focus on getting the perfect shot without worrying about shaky footage. They often come with features like obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes that make them easier to fly, even for beginners. Whether you're a professional content creator or just someone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage of your travels, a filming drone can open up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the showstoppers of the drone world, show drones. These aren't your everyday drones. These are drones with a flair for the dramatic, designed to put on a spectacle in the sky. We're talking about swarms of synchronized drones moving in perfect harmony, creating dazzling light shows that will leave you speechless. They're used for everything from concerts and music festivals to sporting events and corporate gatherings, adding that extra wow factor that everyone remembers. But it's not just about the pretty lights. The technology behind show drones is seriously impressive. They use advanced GPS systems and sophisticated software to choreograph their movements with incredible precision, creating intricate patterns and animations in the sky. Show drones are a testament to how far drone technology has come, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and captivating audiences worldwide. They're a perfect blend of art and technology, reminding us that the sky's the limit when it comes to innovation. So, there you have it, folks, a crash course in the exciting world of drones. We've covered everything from the workhorses of the agricultural industry to the dazzling performers of the entertainment world and everything in between. When choosing a drone, consider your specific needs and budget. Are you looking for a tool to help you with your farm work, or are you more interested in capturing breathtaking aerial footage? Once you know what you need, you can start narrowing down your options. And remember, always check the regulations in your area before flying a drone. Safety first, people. With that said, thanks for watching and happy flying.